Let's talk about a big argument that happened recently in the United States government. At a House hearing, which is kind of official meeting in the US Congress, things got very tense between Kash Patel and Representative Madeleine Dean. But who is Kash Patel? Let's know him first. Kash Patel is a former advisor to Donald Trump, and now, after Trump returned to the White House for the second time, Kash Patel is the head of FBI. Then comes the argument. The argument started with Representative Dean strongly criticizing Patel. She said that he was not fit to hold the office, lied under oath, which means lying in a legal setting. She also said that he's helping Trump take the revenge on people after he came back to the office. Dean even held up Patel's book called Government Gangsters. She claimed that the book is like a plan to help Trump get back to his enemies. She said that this shows that Patel is more interested in the revenge than serving the country fairly. In the meantime, Patel got very upset. He said all of this was political theater, which means drama just to get attention. He said that none of this was actually true, and he told Dean that she had no real proof and was only trying to make him look bad in public. After that, Dean didn't stop responding. She pointed out that Patel had appeared on podcasts run by controversial people like Peters, who is very well known for spreading conspiracy theories. But when asked about it, Patel claimed that he didn't know Peters. Dean said that it's really hard to believe. She also said that whistleblowers are the people who tell the truth from inside an organization, had accused Patel of lying to Congress, which is a serious crime called perjury. But the real question is, did Patel admit to all of this? Of course not. He said that he never lied and was being unfairly targeted. He claimed that the FBI itself had been used against him in a political way before. He also said that he never had any enemy list in his books, a list of people Trump might want to punish. Well, the hearing was supposed to be about law and government, but it turned out to be a big fight about politics. Many people are now worried that law enforcement agencies like FBI are being used for political purposes. Some think that Trump and his entire team want to use power to go after their critics. Others believe that people like Dean are just trying to stop Trump from doing good, also by attacking those who are close to him, just like Patel. In the end, no one changed their mind. The hearing ended up with no real answers, just more questions. Can FBI stay neutral under Patel? Is Patel being honest about his past? Or is the US law being used fairly or for revenge? Well, the story shows how divided and tense American politics has become and how people are now arguing just about politics. Wait, or maybe not about the truth.